Greetings to all melanated people all around the world. It's really a joy, it's a blessing. It's an honor to be out here in nature and greeting you, knowing that I'm bringing a message of emancipation to you, a message that will set you free, a message that will encourage you to use your creativity, a message that will point you to discover also your true identity and your divinity, which will bring you into a place of having the right mindset whereby you'll be able to live in peace and prosperity. That's the reason why I want to speak to you concerning how to manifest wealth. And the first thing you have to know to be able to manifest wealth is that wealth is within you, and that everything is within you, and that the truth of life is within you, and that everything in this life that you would like to gain is within you. Now you have to also realize that you are the gold mine. You have to realize also that you are the diamond field. You have to also realize that you are precious, and you have to love yourself. Now, when you love yourself, then you would believe in yourself. Then you will put trust in yourself. And when you put trust in yourself, there's no greater wealth than to love yourself and to accept yourself. So basically, self-realization is the greatest wealth that one can discover. And the Bible refers to your self-realization as the pearl of great price. But for you to understand that, you have to understand that the Bible addresses the human mind and must be interpreted psychologically. That the Bible is not literal, neither is the Bible secular history. And that the Bible was used to brainwash you, to indoctrinate you, to keep you in a state of mediocrity or poverty. But that you can interpret the Bible to live a life of good health and wealth by understanding that the Bible is your own biography. It's all about you. Now, it is said that as above, so below. As it is within, so is it without, which is the law of correspondence. Now, when we look at the earth, we see everything that's so in the earth brings back, and it will bring it back in multiplication. Now, as there is an earth that you can see and you can touch, there's also an earth where you sow your seed that you can't see and you can't touch. And I'm speaking about your mind, because a thought is a seed. And when you have a thought in your mind, it's like sowing a seed in the soil. And that seed will bring forth. So your thoughts about yourself is your true wealth. How you see yourself, how you think about yourself. That's the reason why many black people normally say, I don't want to be rich. Because they have the wrong understanding of riches. They believe if they have a lot of money, it will corrupt them. Because of the way how they see themselves, and the way how they think about themselves. Many would say to themselves, or even when you're having conversation with them, they will say, I am not God. I am not the creator. Yet, they would believe that God is the provider, yet they use money. How was the money provided? It was false thought. Many would say that God is blessing them because they can afford a house, they can afford a vehicle. But all of that was false thought. So my brother, my sisters, do not take your wealth that is within you and give it to someone else. Do not give it to the political system. Do not take your wealth and give it to the educational system. Do not take your wealth and give it to the religious system. Your wealth is within you. That is why you have to use your mind power to achieve your every desire. That's why you have to use meditation. That's why you have to use imagination. Because imagination creates reality. So I'm encouraging you to learn to create your reality consciously by learning to believe more in yourself and live your self-value and seek to discover your higher self. So true wealth is self-discovery. True wealth is self-realization. So my brother and my sisters, if you believe that true wealth is within you, you have to now change your attitude towards yourself. You have to now change your thinking towards yourself. And you have to claim those things that you so desire in your life and see them manifest in your life and never give up by learning to go to bed more consciously, by learning to wake up more consciously, and learning to live every day of your life more consciously and more responsible where your thoughts is concerned. So my brother, my sisters, my encouragement to you is to be the policeman of your thoughts and control your mind and watch your thoughts so you'll be able to use your creative power to create your reality consciously. Now the rain is coming, so I will have to come to a close now. And I want to thank you very much for listening to me, and I'm encouraging you to check out the link below with my books. Now I'm going to give you the sign of enlightenment, of which Matthew 6:22 says, if your eye be single, your whole body will be full of light. I'm saying to you, when you have the experience, you come to realize that it is the rising of the S-U-N in a S-O-N, and that it is the dawning of a new day in your life, and that the sun parallels the human imagination, and the human imagination parallels the sun. For without the sun there is no life and there is no light, and without the human imagination there isn't anything made that was made. Therefore, my brother and my sisters, we being the people of the sun, my encouragement to you is to use your mind power to achieve your every desire, because your true wealth is within you. So with that being said, I want to say peace, love you, I'm out.